Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We're delighted to have you with us. If you're new to our community, Oceanfront Builders is dedicated to constructing safe, resilient, and beautiful homes throughout Southern California. Rooted in Los Angeles and Orange counties, we're passionate about sharing our expertise and empowering you to protect your property from the ever-present threat of wildfires. Today we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of wildfire preparedness: ember-resistant vents. In a region where wildfires are a recurring threat, these seemingly small components can make a significant difference in protecting your home from ignition. Wind-blown embers are a notorious source of home fires, capable of traveling miles ahead of the main fire front and infiltrating even the smallest openings in your structure. Ember-resistant vents are designed to block these embers, effectively fireproofing one of your home's most vulnerable points. In this comprehensive video, we'll explain why ember-resistant vents are so important, explore the different types available, provide a step-by-step guide to installation for those comfortable with DIY, and emphasize the critical role they play in a holistic wildfire safety strategy. We'll also address common questions and concerns, helping you make an informed decision about protecting your home from the insidious threat of wind-blown embers. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to fortify your property against wildfire risks. Before we fortify our homes, please take a moment to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement allows us to reach more homeowners and continue providing crucial information on wildfire preparedness and resilient building practices in Southern California. Together, we can build a safer future for our communities. Why are ember-resistant vents so essential, especially in Southern California? The truth is, even a well-maintained defensible space can't completely eliminate the risk of embers reaching your home. Wind-blown embers are capable of traveling long distances, landing in gutters, accumulating on decks, and infiltrating vents, where they can ignite combustible materials and start a fire inside your walls or attic. Ember-resistant vents are a crucial layer of defense, preventing these insidious embers from entering your home and causing catastrophic damage. Here's what makes wind-blown embers such a significant threat. Embers can travel miles ahead of the main fire front, igniting vegetation and structures far beyond the immediate fire zone. Embers can easily enter homes through standard vents, gaps in siding, and other small openings. Embers can smolder for hours before igniting, making them difficult to detect and control. Ember-resistant vents are designed to block embers while still allowing for proper ventilation. They typically achieve this through a combination of the following features. The vent openings are designed to be small enough to block embers but large enough to allow for adequate airflow. Internal baffles or louvers deflect embers and direct them away from combustible materials. The vents are constructed from non-combustible or fire-retardant materials, such as steel or aluminum. There are several types of ember-resistant vents available, each with its own design and performance characteristics. Here are some of the most common options. Honeycomb vents. These vents feature a honeycomb-shaped core that blocks embers while allowing for airflow. Pros: excellent ember resistance, good airflow. Cons: can be more expensive than other options. Louvered vents with mesh. These vents feature louvers with a fine mesh screen that blocks embers. Pros: more affordable than honeycomb vents, relatively easy to install. Cons: can be more prone to clogging with debris. Automatic fire dampers. These vents automatically close in the presence of heat, providing an additional layer of fire protection. Pros: provides both ember resistance and automatic fire suppression. Cons: more expensive and complex than other options. While professional installation is always recommended, many homeowners can successfully install ember-resistant vents themselves. Here's a step-by-step guide. Safety first. Always wear safety glasses, gloves, and a dust mask. Insulation and other construction materials. Measure existing vents. Accurately, measure the dimensions of your existing vents to ensure that you purchase the correct size of ember-resistant vents. Remove old vents. Carefully remove the old vents using a screwdriver or other appropriate tool. Clean the opening. Clean the vent opening to remove any debris or old sealant. Install new vents. Insert the new ember-resistant vents into the opening. secure them with screws or nails. Seal the perimeter. Seal the perimeter of the vent with caulk to prevent air and water infiltration. Test for airflow. After installation, test the vents to ensure that they are providing adequate venting requirements. Ensure that the ember-resistant vents you choose meet the minimum venting requirements for your home. Consult with a qualified contractor or your local building department if you are unsure. Local building codes. Check with your local building department to ensure that you comply with all applicable building codes. Professional installation. If you're not comfortable installing ember-resistant vents yourself, hire a qualified contractor to do the job. Ember-resistant vents require regular maintenance to ensure that they function properly. Here are some tips. Inspect regularly. Inspect your vents regularly for any signs of damage or clogging. Clean debris. Clean debris from the vents regularly to ensure proper airflow. Replace damaged vents. Replace any damaged vents immediately. It's important to remember that ember-resistant vents are just one component of a comprehensive wildfire safety plan. You should also create defensible space by clearing vegetation and maintaining a defensible space around your home. Harden your home by using fire-resistant building materials and design features. Prepare an evacuation plan, develop a fire evacuation plan and practice it regularly. And, stay informed. Make sure to be up to date in case of emergency. Installing ember-resistant vents is a simple and effective way to protect your home from the insidious threat of wind-blown embers. By choosing the right vents, following proper installation procedures, and maintaining your system regularly, you can significantly reduce your risk of wildfire damage. At Oceanfront Builders, we prioritize safety in every project we undertake, and we're committed to helping our clients create resilient and fire-safe homes throughout Southern California, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties. If you have any questions about ember-resistant vents or wildfire preparedness, we encourage you to contact us at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com. Remember, every step you take to protect your home from wildfire can make a difference in saving lives and protecting property. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable construction tips and fire safety insights. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching and stay safe.